gonna show you AWS Lab project scalable multi-region architecture with on-prem simulation. Our lab goal: create a real-world AWS architecture with two AWS regions, US East 1 and the UA Central 1. Multi-easy setup with public and private subnets, EC2 RDS load balancer auto-scaling. Transit gateway plus site-to-site VPN for on-premises simulation, full monitoring with CloudWatch, DNS routing with Route 53, IAM roles and security policies. Step 1. Creating VPC. Go to AWS console, type VPC, click your VPC and create your VPCs, and click here, create VPC. Name, type here US East 1 VPC. IP CIDR 10.0.0.0/16. Tenancy left by default, and click create VPC. Now we should create our subnets. Go to subnets, click create subnet. First we will create subnet A, public subnet A. Select here your VPC, type here name, public subnet A, available to zone East 1A, East 1A, CIDR block, ten dot zero dot one dot 0/24. Now we should add new subnet, one more. This is also public. CIDR block 10. Sorry, name here CAZ. Zero dot 2.0/24. Available zone East 1B, US East 1B. Add new subnet, but now we should create private subnet. Private subnet A, US East 1A, CIDR block 10.0.10.0/24. Add new subnet. This time private subnet B, US East 1B our available zone. IP address range 10.0.20.0/24 and click finalize create subnet. Okay, all our subnets is creating. Now we should go to create internet gateway. Go to internet gateways here. Create internet gateway. Name is US East 1 internet gateway, like this. Attach it US East 1 VPC and attach it. Select to this VPC, attach internet gateway. Now we should create root tables. Go to the root tables here. Click root table. Name my root table like this. Associate it with your VPC. Add root. Just a moment. Create root table. Now we should add root. For this, click edit routes. Add route. Associate it with internet gateway. Click save change. Just a moment. Select here your own internet gateway with ID number and save change. Now we should subnet associating, edit subnets. We should associate with our public subnets. Save associations. And now we should set up NAT gateway. This is optional but recommended for practice. Allocate an elastic IP. Go to NAT gateways here and click create NAT gateway. Subnet public subnet AZ1. I will choose. I will give name like this. Public subnet AZ. This one. Use the elastic IP. Allocate. We have not allocated. Create root table for private subnet. Now you should first create NAT gateway. Now go to root tables, create root table, and Select VPC. Create root table. Edit routes. Add route. Default gateway. Select NAT gateway. Select here your NAT gateway. And save changes. Finally, we should associate our private subnets. Edit associations. Select private. And this one. No, sorry. This one. Private A and private B. Save associations. In all this process, tag everything clearly. Use constant naming convention for each VPC, subnet, internet gateway, NAT, and route tables. Finally, as you see, we created our VPC, we created our private and public subnets, and associate this with our internet gateway and NAT gateway. We will repeat all this process for second our VPC in another region. Bye everyone. We will back in our next video.